Welcome to an Atlantis Rail installation video. Today we'll be installing a 42-inch height ORION I system on a level deck surface. Upon receiving your railing order, verify that all system components are present. Make sure to locate your installation instructions and read them from beginning to end before starting your project. Locate and install the end and corner posts, then measure and mark for mid posts and install. Before fully securing to the deck, ensure the posts are level and plumb. Once the posts are secured, install the plastic cover nuts on each bolt, then place the post skirt. Refer to the instructions to calculate the correct measurements between posts to cut the top rail to the correct length. Slide the top rail into the splice post caps and put into place. To secure top rail, use the supplied screws to secure the splice post cap to post. Then use another screw to drill through the bottom side of the splice connector into the bottom of the top rail. Next is installing the stabilizers for systems where post distances span greater than 4 feet. Measure and pre-drill a hole in the middle of the bottom side of the top rail to install the stabilizer connector from the stabilizer kit. Insert the stabilizer connector into the stabilizer, making sure the holes are aligned with holes on the posts. Secure the stabilizer mounting plate to the deck and install the support block base kit. Now that the frame is complete, it's time to install cable infill. Cut cable to general lengths for each section. Crimp HandiSwage studs onto one end of each cable, securing stud to post with the cover nut set. Lace cable through mid-posts and stabilizers, then cut cable to the precise length. Crimp HandiSwage stud onto the end of the cable and attach to post. Tension cable runs easily using the supplied HandiSwage tool set, securing with the locking nut. Install grommets and cut excess thread flush and cap off with the cap in each cover nut set for finished look. Your ORION I railing system is now complete. For detailed installation instructions for each of our cable railing systems, visit our website. Thank you for choosing Atlantis Rail, the choice for your view.